The enhanced IPW Edge visualization system introduces sophisticated edge detection and display capabilities, significantly improving the visibility of material removal areas. On the home ribbon, under IPW More, users can activate the Show IPW Edges option. As you can see, with the IPW Edge Display enabled, visual clarity is greatly improved. This functionality can also be used in combination with IPW Color and IPW Translucency customizations. Click on the Home tab and navigate to Utilities, Customer Defaults. Under Manufacturing, Simulation and Visualization, the IPW colors can be modified. Overall, the system's improved edge emphasis creates clear visual distinction between machined and unmachined areas, enabling more accurate and efficient verification of machining results.